So in our quadruped hip cards, the aim of the game is to take the hip through as full a range of motion as we possibly can while maintaining a neutral spine. We've got flexion, extension, internal and external rotation, and this is a phenomenal way to assess the health of your hip. So our quadruped position, we've got wrist, elbow and shoulder nicely stacked. We want the knee just in front of the hips, similar to the bottom of a squat. Ankles are dorsiflexed. Our brace will be done on opposite slings. I'm going to work on my right side first. So I'm pressing into the ground. I'm going to lift the knee up and flex. I'm going to pull the knee back, keeping my knee flexed. And then I'm trying to draw a nice big circle round. I then reverse the direction, taking my time, pulling the hip round and making sure the pelvis stays nice and level. Things we don't want to see are big hikes happening. If that happens, just move yourself against the wall for a little bit of braces support. So again, we're kicking up and back into extension, maintaining a neutral spine. We're pulling out wide and back in, and then we're working our way through the opposite motion.
And up. So here we've got Carrie in a pretty much perfect beast pose. We've got wrist, elbow, shoulder stacked, knee in front of hip, and a good shake happening. That's how you know she's in the right spot. And down, good Carrie, really good. Okay, one more to go. Just bring those wrists back just a little bit. That's it. A little bit of external rotation now. Screw the elbows behind you. Push in, up and hold. There, Carrie. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.